when you are on mission mode means what? Mission mode means you are committed for particular goal, for particular vision, particular challenge. Supposedly your goal is to achieve flying officer rank, to crack SSB or to pass so and so exam or so and so interview. And might be sub goals, might be many. It's not about service entry commission, SSP, cracking SSP, and all these things, and coming on the merit. Then you are going to be selected as an officer. Then, for that matter, your vision is to become officer. So, this in the mission mode, what happens? In the mission mode, you are like a laser beam. Your focus is to be like laser means there there is no deflections. Laser beam is there is no deflectors, there is no broad beam, there is narrow beam. Narrow beam means you have to cut short means sacrifice. You have to cut short all the unnecessary things. For example, you can say that eating eating suppose food, you must eat bare minimum. You must eat bare minimum. You must sacrifice maximum. You must sacrifice. You must know what are the essential nutrients which I need to take, bare minimum, and I need to avoid all the things, all the junk which are meant for to satisfy our palate, our taste buds. Those things I can eliminate. I need to eliminate so that I can give more time on the things which I need to do, such as the preparation part, to study, to practice, to give mock tests, to write TAT stories, to prepare for interview questions, and to practice communication skills. And these are important things while you are preparing for SSP interview, rather than eating a tasty food or to go out and enjoy with relatives or friends, or talk with your chit chatting with friends and all these things, or watching a very interesting video or your favorite stars or your anybody in the YouTube, rather than to study and practice for this exam or interview. So for that matter, I have to sacrifice so and so things. I have no time to pass, so I have to reduce or cut short the time, or actually sacrifice completely for to make time for this preparation and practice for FSP, or to achieve my goal. This is what calls for. That's what's needed. If it is can't be done, for example, if you say why it should be done, if your why is clear, you are risking something. For example, you are risking your entire life. You can't imagine a life without it. This goal is your part and parcel of your life. You are owning this goal. It's complete your ownership of this goal. You imagine yourself as a officer, and then you can't imagine as a warrant officer. For example, if you say after 20 years what's my life is going to be if I can't become an officer. Supposedly, if I have 20 years, I will be an wing commander, or I will be a MWO. What is the better thing for me to be? Supposedly, if I will be a warrant officer, or supposedly I will be a wing commander, what is the pay difference? The payment will be 5 will be double. As a wing commander I will get around 2 lakhs, but as a warrant officer I will get 1 lakh. So there is much difference, and not only payment, there is power difference. As a SC aircraft, as a desk IC, what is the difference? The desk IC, you might be as a desk IC, you might be very, you have to listen to that Premi, okay, wing commander Premi and warrant officer, sorry, MW Goel. What is the difference between them? This SC aircraft can able to give instructions to officers tech flight as well as engineering officers, and from squadron as well he can give input, and he can directly approach engineering officer without appointment, and he has the ability to go and meet any other officer, and he can order them, and he can have special powers and privileges to do whatever needs to be done, and he can come late, and he has that special powers to affect the organizations, contribute to organizations much, as well as to contribute to the society and his family and other things. So there is a lot of difference you can imagine. Because of that, what is the course you need to take now? For example, instead of watching so and so video, such as so and so video means Sonu Sood's, nowadays I am watching Sonu Sood's videos. On seeing him, I am like reacting, I am not responding because I don't have a clear vision. Here I need to see this, what is the life after 20 years. If I do this, Sonu Sood's or anybody for that matter, I have to put it in front of my eyes. And when I am not reading or practicing, or for that matter, if I am not doing and I am watching so and so video which are going to make me AMW, or which are going to make me Premi, so that job, that decisions, that is to be, now we have to decide. Now I have to decide, and I'm going to now make a chart out of it. I will see that the life difference between MW Goel or Warrant Officer Manoj and Wing Commander Premi, and I will see the difference between these two people, how it will be, how my life will be, as a, what is my vision. If I don't have this vision of becoming the Premi, then I simply be, by default, I will be Goel, I will be Warrant Officer Manoj. So this thing, if I keep in my mind, so instead of watching Sonu Sood's video, I will do practice communication skills. I will do writing SSB interview, particularly those service entry commission exams, mock tests and all these things. I will call those aspirants who are interested to become an officer, and I will talk with them. I will have a nice conversation with them in English as well, and I will speak in English rather than in Hindi. And I will also call those people I will listen to, and those particularly SSB aspirants, and understand how to practice on what is the purpose of conducting the SSB, particularly psychology, GTO and other interview tests, and I will prepare according to that, without and with a lot of sacrifices on the part of my food, as well as food, and as well as family for that matter. I will make sacrifices in these two aspects of my life to make more time and energy in the preparation of SSB as well as service entry commission. And this is the job which I need to do in the time frame of 1 year, so that I can ensure a safe I can ensure to become a I can ensure to become a wing commander Premi. Wing Commander Remy, and that place I will be Wing Commander Jagdish as aircraft, and are like that. So after 20 years, my vision is supposed to be Wing Commander Jagdish, like Wing Commander Remy, not One Top Sir Manoj, like One Top Sir. So I must be very clear regarding this, otherwise I will be total failure, where I can't be, where I will be, where my life will be unfulfilled, where I don't get any satisfaction, because having lot of talents, inner potentialities, still if I'm not able to do it, it's all what all needed is the commitment. Without that, my English, my fluency skills, whatever I have done till the time, is all going to be wasted if I don't take this commitment now. If I don't promise that I will become an officer within 1 year, so all my focus will be in this particularly, and I will not be. I can't afford to be lazy. I can't afford to be lethargic. I can't afford to be wasting my time in meaningless tasks. Thank you so much. Good.